Welcome guys. In this lesson we will learn how to make sign up form in HTML with CSS. Okay. So first create the new file signup.html. Control plus is hold control plus is so save this one and select location desktop in sign up. Save this one. Okay. So when you save, I'm clear this one. Shift hold shift plus 1 enter press enter. So first I'm getting the div. So first div dot wrapper hyphen login. Okay, enter. So div dot content. Okay, enter. So I'm getting the input in between of the content div. Okay, so uh, dev dot group. Okay, in here I'm getting label username. Now come to here, input enter or placeholder equal to double quotation, type enter username. So I'm copy this one. So copy this one, control plus C and enter, control V. Here I'm using if name or father name. Okay, so come to here, paste other. In here I'm getting the password no, email. And here I'm using email, and here I'm getting f name. Okay, now come to here, I'm getting control V. So replace this one with password. So also I'm changing password, so changing the name for password. So control V, confirm password, so in here also I use confirm password, yeah, pass. So come to here, control plus V, and I'm using photo or picture. Okay, so in here I'm getting file. So the last one is button dot btn. Okay, so sign up here, sign up, hold control plus S, come to the page. Here, so I open my file. In here right click, open it on Google Chrome. So this is this one. So come to here. So now I am create the CSS file, style no length rel CSS. Okay, so CSS style dot CSS, control plus S. So come here, new file, style dot CSS, control plus S, hold control plus S, desktop. In here save this one. So when you save this one, so I am clean this one. First I will select the wrapper login. Okay, come to here, first I'm select all the body node dot wrapper hyphen login. So I'm using this one. So wait double dot 100% semicolon height double dot 100 vh or font hyphen size double dot 20 pixel semicolon and control plus S. So now come here, dot wrapper hyphen login dot content. I want to all the input bring to center. So margin double dot r2 semicolon. So weight double dot 500 500 400 pixel. So height double dot and 700 pixels semicolon and font hyphen v double dot bold semicolon. So control plus S, come here and refresh this one, all come in here. So first and then I am getting to background hyphen color double dot gray semicolon border hyphen reduce double dot 5 pixel semicolon. So padding double dot all 5 pixel semicolon control plus S. Okay, so now come to here. So I am getting the new margin. Sorry. Now I am select dot content or input. Now I wanna select the input. Weight double dot 100% semicolon height double dot 30 pixel semicolon border double dot none semicolon border hyphen reduce double dot 5 pixel semicolon or margin hyphen top double dot 10 pixel semicolon control plus S. Now come to refresh the page. Okay, so this is this one. So now come to here. So now I come in here. So I'm a little given height 600 pixel 6 no 400. Control plus S and refresh this one. Wow, it's a little and 450 pixel. So this is ready. So another I wanna design the sign up button. So we are now come to here dot content btn. I am select the class in here weight double dot 100 pixel 100% semicolon border double dot none semicolon color double dot white semicolon and font hyphen size double dot 25 pixel semicolon or background hyphen color double dot red semicolon control plus is. Now come to here where and refresh this one. So this is the page. So if you wanna give the radius border hyphen radius double dot 10 pixels semicolon control plus S or refresh this one and come to here refresh the page. So this is this one. So if you wanna give a margin a little for this one for content page margin hyphen auto no padding hyphen top double dot 20 pixels semicolon control plus S. Okay, now come to here padding no. In here come margin hyphen top double dot 100 pixels semicolon control plus S. So this is the sign up page. If you want change the text of color. Where you come in here, when you give color double dot white semicolon, control plus S and refresh the page. So this is this one. If you want to give the shadow for what, for box, come to here, come here, box hyphen shadow double dot 5 pixel or 5 pixel 5 pixel and gray semicolon, control plus S and refresh the page. So this is the sign up page. It is easily folded. Guys, please subscribe our channel, like, share video, and one comment leave in. Thanks for watching.